the trail today with a fresh battery, and we're going to do a max speed test. I'd like to find out what the max speed we can get out of this Philodo H8. Come along with me. Strap you up here and we'll take a speed run. Here we go, gang. Guys, there you go. Looks like 35 is going to be our top speed on the Philodo H8. Well, there's another one for you guys. We got the speed test out of the way. It does what the manufacturer says. I saw a little bit higher than 35 point something, but that is plenty fast for an e-bike. I'm telling you, it's a great time to get out here and go those speeds, but do it carefully, please, and get yourself a helmet. Don't be like me. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you stopping in. Check out the unboxing, check out the range test. I've got other bikes I've done. Lots for you to watch. Hop over to my channel and check me out. I got lots coming too. I'm editing stuff all the time. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for coming. Peace.